Bonafide Hustler here, and this is another general thrift vlog. I'm about to pick up something really cool, and it should only set me back like 50 bucks, but let's get this vlog started. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris, the Bonafide Hustler, coming to you live from the inside of Small Spaceship, and we're about to go pick up some items. 2 bicycles, because 1 bicycle is $25, and then I got a message saying, hey, I have another one. I haven't listed it, but do you want it? Of course I want it. It's a pretty good bike. So we're gonna go pick these things up right now on this vlog, and I think if everything goes right, the first bike should sell for about 200, the second bike about 200. So that's pretty good investment of 50 bucks, you know, and turn it into like 350 profit. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at the Bonafide Hustler, and you can also get the free money-making guide right here. It's the first link down below. This will teach you some items that you can start looking for that are predominantly used that you can sell for more money. I'm excited to go get these bikes and open up a new vlog. So if you like these kind of things, then make sure you hit the like button right now and feel free to put a comment. I will definitely see it. Okay, so I arrived outside of the house, and I think this person's gonna sell me some bikes. Pretty good fence here, man. I can't see into this person's property. I have no idea what's going on, but I did message them that I have arrived. The Bonafide Hustler is here. I don't even think they know who I am, but that's okay. I'm gonna seal some cheddar. Back at the Hustler Casa, I got the deal done. So we do have $25 for this Raleigh Venture 3.0. It's an aluminum frame hybrid, medium sized for a adult male, but whatever, unisex. Pretty neat bike, Sun Tour fork, comfy seat, all good. And then the other bike that he did not actually list yet was this Raleigh Eva 3.0 women's mountain bike, 26-inch wheels, front suspension. You know, you can just tell by just this right here, this bike has not been used that much. So anyway, this bike right here was $25. It should sell for right around 200 bucks. The other one about 200 bucks. So yeah, $350 profit is probably what I'm expecting. I might list it for more, but we'll see. Raleigh is one of those interesting brands that just strangely enough does really well. And he also for 30 bucks sold me a Yakima 4 bike rack that goes to a 2-inch hitch receiver. So that's pretty neat. I do need one for my SUV, although I'll probably just list this thing for 100 bucks. And then once I get it sold, then I'll just find another one and repeat that process over and over. But yeah, once I get the garage dust off of this whole thing, this will be a nice bike rack to flip. It goes into your hitch right here, as you can see, and it goes away from your tailgate. And then this part right here can actually snap out and put the bikes, you know, away from the vehicle. You can hold 4 bikes, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Anytime you mess with these, you want to make sure that these things right here are not sun damaged or cracked, and this one looks pretty good. And that's how you test them. You just bend them around like that. If you see a bunch of cracks and stuff like that, it means it was stored outside or it was on the vehicle for just way too long. And plus these things will fade too, but these are nice and red. So yeah, this is a pretty good buy for 30 bucks, and I will keep it listed. I'll probably list it for about 100, maybe 150, something like that. Okay, further along in the day, and I think I'm gonna sell a bike here that I got for 30 bucks. It's nothing special, but it's outside my front door window or whatever. And I paid 30 bucks for this thing about a month and a half ago. I'm just gonna sell it for like 140 bucks. Nothing super crazy, but someone expressed their interest this morning, so we're gonna get that thing sold for sure. And there it is. It's a Diamondback, like Vital 2, I wanna say. Nothing super special. Front suspension, hybrid bike, women's, small frame. Nothing super crazy. Should have someone coming down the cul-de-sac here in 1 second. Okay, I think the person's here. Get this bike sold. Okay, we got it sold for $120, which isn't bad. I mean, the bike's okay. It's a Diamondback. It's not like the greatest brand ever, but 120 cash, some bikes to bucks, we'll take it. All right, so a couple housekeeping things. In about 5 days, maybe 6 days, we will have a new guide coming out, possibly even 2. But yeah, high ticket items to bucks 3 is coming out, I believe Monday next week. So be on the lookout for that. Also, first link down below, there'll be a secret word. And if you type in that secret word into the first link, it'll give you a really special discount on any one of my guides all the way from here till Friday. So look at the secret word down below. It might be the second link, but use that code up until Friday. I'm excited about these new guides. They're gonna be awesome. You'll see. I'm also excited about my other guides, duh. But let's see where the rest of this vlog takes us. I totally forgot to show you guys on the vlog, but we sold some cool things this morning. Only actually yesterday, and I brought it to the USPS, but I didn't actually cover it on the vlog. One was a tactical kind of airsoft helmet, pictured right here. I think I don't know, $6.50 into this thing. It sold for $70 on eBay. That was pretty cool. What else did we sell? Oh yeah, we also sold a pair of CD carbon road bike shoes with no insoles, size 43.5. Those were, I think, 11 or less at a Goodwill. They sold for $95 or $99 on eBay. Pretty good. That went out priority because I use the priority shipping boxes all the time. But we're on a random evening here in Austin, Texas, and a bike from the previous vlog that I bought for $100 should sell hopefully for like $350 or $400 cash today. Okay, it is dark here in Austin, Texas now, but here's the bike right here that I picked up on the earlier vlog, and this is a Trek EX7 aluminum frame mountain bike, and it has 26-inch wheels. I picked it up for $100 at a town that was like 20 minutes away, so pretty cool. Nothing super crazy, although it was a really good deal. We're looking to sell this thing between $350 and $400 today. And it looks like someone's coming right now, so here's the person. Okay, the guy's putting it in his truck back there. And we have $380 cash right there. So we sold it for $380, and that's a $280 profit. Oh my God, some of the money just went to the ground. Oh my God, can't lose that. All right, couple days down the road, and this around noon today, I picked up a bike that was pretty cool, and it was $25, but I had to put about an hour of work into it. I do think it's going to resell for $280. I put a picture right here. It's a Trek 4 Series 26-inch wheel mountain bike with suspension, front suspension, aluminum frame, and that was a pretty good find this morning, right? But now I caught a listing. This is the evening now. And I caught a listing that is 2 minutes into it, right? For a $75 Concept 2 rower. It's just too good to be true. The person says it works too. They're 13 minutes from my house. If this is true, this thing could resell for like $500 to $700. I'm not even kidding. So I'm gonna go look at it, take a swing probably. I mean, even in broken condition, it's worth it. So I'm about 10 minutes away from the house, and we'll see. That's why I'm in the SUV too. It's all completely cleared out. I can put a rowing machine in the small car, but you know, the big spaceship is ready to go, so we'll see. All right, here we go. Okay, I'm here at the house, and it's totally true. I'm putting it in my freaking truck right now. But yeah, $75 later, and I have a Concept 2 PM5 rower that is in very good condition. I don't even know if they used it. And it's sitting here. It could be a COVID thing. I have no idea. Like, you know, people bought a lot of things for COVID and then just didn't use them. Crazy, absolutely crazy deal. I just cannot believe it. I still cannot believe it. Here it is, a Concept 2 Model D rower. Pretty cool with a PM5 like computer. Pretty neat. Start pulling on it. You can see this, everything's nice and buttery. And if we pull harder, we have all this stuff working. So yeah, this is pretty neat, $75. You know, there's a chance that this thing could honestly sell at $800, but you know, we're just gonna say $600 to be just conservative, but I am gonna try to get $800 out of this thing, which is pretty cool. That means it's a really big flip. And yeah, I caught that thing 2 minutes into the listing. I mean, you gotta be really fast. So the weekends are really good for local stuff. So you just gotta be really fast, you know? So pretty cool machine. Like barely any scratches on it at all. The thing is in perfect condition. I can't believe this thing. Wow. So this will be the second one that I found this year. Or I might have even hustled a third one. No, this will be the third one I've done this year, which is crazy. So yeah, that was a good find, and you're gonna have to stay tuned to the next vlog, which might drop tomorrow, because I'm actually blazing through this edit process right now. But you're really gonna enjoy that rower and what it flipped for. So thanks for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one, which should be tomorrow or maybe the next day. Maybe it'll be tomorrow. Put a comment down below. Would you buy that rower for $75? Would you? You better.